na so oni panangasa no oni motia na ye adwuma Ajaguraja na efe na Ajaguraja no kwabena asiama no Ghana fo tie ni ye kwabena asiama onye sofo 1 kwabena asiama onye spiritualist 2 kwabena asiama oye trickster oye magician ono kwabena so onye magic mamuhu afro be so oye bi o hwe ne dress ni ne bibia onye sofo maka che mu pin because me twa ne 360 wo fi de kese so me ka che se Ajaguraja esum afro no oni pe bi ko ne che gwaje sa ne tetramantas e de be na oni bibia etumi bi anim oni bibia se Ajaguraja so otumi a se Ajaguraja so aben a se Ajaguraja so ne Ajaguraja honhom no se kasa me man challenge kese se me man challenge kese se me pema be se enum anase me enum mu na gu aburuchiri omo nkrata sem omo ware sem omo djuma sem Ajaguraja amra bonten na yehia na ye fa we emboso enipa 10 me challenge enipa 10 no me fa 7 na mama ne 3 pe no eyedin a ewo ho na so onipa nangasa no oni motia na ye adwuma Ajaguraja na efe na Ajaguraja no kwabena asiama no Ghana fo tie ni ye kwabena asiama onye sofo 1 kwabena asiama onye spiritualist 2 kwabena asiama oye trickster oye magician ono kwabena so onye magic mamuhu afro be so oye bi o hwe ne dress ni ne bibia onye sofo maka che mu pin because me twa ne 360 wo fi de kese so me ka che se Ajaguraja esum afro no one ne mrante ni na ade ya me ya ne se mrante na omo devote omo time ama Ajaguraja think he say they can be successful in life omo no be di hia omo ye hiafo they are all toilet beans they are all toilet beans Ajaguraja esum afro no animguase wom amane wom esan wom accident wom so many things that wom some catch say esum na afro no so wentimi ampepasa esum na never double ntia na so be hye ebi na ebobo dey eba no na Ghana fo bi ho no mo a eya na mentini pe bebiri ase ewiase wo wo ka no kure de ye se wonye o chese obi oba media ne so no address huhu no de no bobo ni ti no a share comfortable dey se we dey abi so for no about time no de aboni ko na sisi am a simple guy I don't want to respect me obi because one God the world bo life video we so say osusu mi pa that is a work of a seer ye neat seers ye very neat so just here Ajaguraja na nim guasia eboboba e maybe se kama your ba uko kama we guda oni pe bia hu angel da oni pe bia hu spirit da guda ye catch the size of an angel size of an angel to say any pa carbon be 5,000 any pa kwa carbon be 5,000 and the size of an angel what angel size
and to said dan ya
what angel size na me ka say to say Yakopon esman angels ni be say omo mra sase so embeye adwuma ma na ho omo ba omo nan ba ko esi land and a crosso volcano no a crosso fire no
omo nan ba ko na
esi land no and a crosso volcano no and omo nan ba ko so esesi apumu no and na a crosso tsunami because ewiase no epo half and a land so half epo tuwe epo esoche land ewiase na akabum na ye land ewiase chi na so ye nsuo etiapo esoche land. So just imagine how angels sit here now. Ajaguraja, if you move Ajaguraja, enu ankwen Ghana fosika and I would turn it to you. I want Ghanaians to know the difference between you can't say wait nature and you giant. Difference between nature and you giant. Obi pobua or se got 200 million, 200 million, 300 million. Or pobu no because susu yase say a chopa. And they come gods of the land. Say a chopper, and they come sebi any angel on the earth. Adia ye tie ediko e you giant. Because Nakopon Emma Abraham a certain record actually a diffobi all the time. Say as I say mutisui, I was some bar for dear Emma Onyankopon and in a home Onyankopon home or Mona Jimoja. Amona God, I'm the angel war from gods of the land angels. It's Abraham. I found no boy no or boy ni penisuno or bomb Yakopon and so or bo ema sebi gods of the land. Ajaguraja ekumumwa so oye adwuma me emranti na di echi no I pity them na come say me nya botie susu wiase god of the land ebe ponche ema Ajaguraja anu an nkola abeba abonten abegu nanim ase ema bi beba abonten abegu nanim ase ebi na sate bubo ba no
oba bia ba out all can name
oh say ewiase no me ade mentan obi a o mentan konfo ana mentan malam ana mentan osofo ana mentan obi a me dey say so be bound for spiritual aspect. Nipa no you blind. He or she don't do anything. So take your time and deal with the person in the way nipa no benya say be results.
Yes.
Nipa no who results.
Yes.
So only to me be remember that amount for so to me.
Results.
Because for how long can you keep the fast among the lions? I say be lions no or who fast no every no. For how long? For how long? It's Ajaguraja there. Only to me be oni pe bi call in check what san tetramanta se debe na oni bibia etu bibia enim oni bibia sa Ajaguraja so otumi a sa Ajaguraja so aben a sa Ajaguraja so ne Ajaguraja honhom no se kasa me man challenge kese se me man challenge kese se me pema be se enum anase me enum mo na gu aburichiri omo krata sem omo ware sem omo djuma sem Ajaguraja amra bonten na yehia na yefa we emboso enipa 10 me challenge enipa 10 no me fa 7 na mama na 3 pe mama na 3 pe o timi nye onye sus unim ye wo bi ho no ma wo suo book we read the books spiritual books and a bible and wakabo it is what na say o ma teachers na say onye smart obedi nechi obefola man de okano they practice what they can preach. They practice what they can do.
They preach what they can practice.
They preach what they can practice. Sorry.
It's patch stress papa no or you fake.
Oh, Ajaguraja you fake. Obe let me count. Munya botie. Sanity. Say guda and penifo se yen kwatie duomra ahaban so onwurem ye kwa be faka ya faka be nante ye nante so be num suo so just so ujo bi sika so be spiritual no mama na have time for the person ye nye akwankyere ye anomotuo Ghana for 10 years kama anomotuo kama will follow you to your destination in life. Your destination in life is your success. Your destination in life is your happiness. Your destination in life is your peace of mind. That is your destination. Oh, will be a coffee. I won't do fear that. No, I say, my bread me that I blow off you. You will fast and go home and sleep because that is your destination. It's a blabonimo. So when you do my you choka, when your peace of mind, your destination, no, and never been the pressure of doing. It's Ajaguraja there. Or more than a China will know zero result in their life, and majority too will go broke because gods of the land. Ajaguraja ofa kwampa na eye sa no man oye no oku na ntwie na oye say na eye fake or the 25 eye fake. Now I pity the boys and girls omo di nechi no omo na ye toilet beans. Ajaguraja followers ni na ayam and here for poverty go rail on them because omo ye toilet beans. Omo boss anga so toilet bean. Ajaguraja to onye sikeni na onya kakra bia o bugana for ma nya kakra wa ko cars and why convoy and I will sit down now we try the bar to say the we near tiama see omu ina no the gods of the land is working on them and we will put them to book. We will bring them to book for people to know the kind of scam they are doing. Ajaguraja there and yes many there say obi aba bonten say wa jini sikarabi na mo medika ka chen say assume afro eti ensema eba no otimi e the stand it o Jesus djuma no ye no onye susu djuma ni o waste amount for time amount for finance no waste no amount for energy no say no amount for any that so hope in life and that say o waste omo abra bokeke otimi hwe ma me say otimi nya bibia ma say Ajaguraja so ye be ma me say ono an nkrofo a also obeje books ama omo aburuchiri omo krata sem omo wale sem omo djuma sem no sa nkrofo no omo bra na esisi anase omo bra haja guda ho guda ye nipa 10 Ajaguraja guda frɛ no nipa 10 no omo want to come outside omo want to come
omo finish camp amra na 7 bra outside na 3
kon nche na ye hwa de do ye be ma okrumu a look I'm ready for challenge. If you're a man of God, if you're a comfort, if we are pastor, we are dibia, whoever person you are, that you claim that you have powers, that can change the life of mortals, that you have powers that can make mortals smile, no? I dare you, the person, to come out and challenge the nation seer. The world is ready for action. Ghanaians are tired of words. Ghanaians are ready for action. So the men of God out there, the Akonfo, the DBS, the spiritualists, come out. Na yenye sadi we. Onim. Dabi meba. I want them to know, sir, if you can't do the worker, stop scamming Ghanaians.
Okay.
Stop scamming the innocent Ghanaians. Obi on obejiwedi. This is going to be about 10,000. What I bro? I think he said things will go on. Now we get more than 10,000. And so, or you want shema, or first one fan call, or first one kind of what is going on in Ghana here? So good. Meantime will be a big challenge to everybody out there. If you are ready, Friday Guda, one God no, or John and Noom, Siano or John and Noom. Debbie say, please, those who call me from outside Ghana, I am a seer. I prefer you call me a seer than a pastor or a prophet. No. A seer is bigger than all men of God. All ranking names in the world. Seer is bigger than them all. So please, you can call me the seer of the century, the seer of the universe, the only seer who dining with the moon and the sun, the seer of this generation. I'll respond to you, Epamocho. Across the world, I am the seer. Please don't call me prophet. I'm bigger than that. As a ultimate post so. Say we are say osofo di nyame achia no be prophet. Na onyina na obeda ni seer. Sa ta oba kokore wie. Sa na tie. But me no, I was a born seer. Seers are born and seers are not trained. So I say me say me wo me ba be so beba abefa because you the wo yeah, say, yeah, pastor, no, we wouldn't do that. Let me catch a Ghana for self. Ajaguraja there. On your ready. Now the urban is so large.
For I know subscribe at the amame and somebody be our Ghana bar. We better not say, Mr. It's a sin and comfort me. I can't go for myself going to know, say, this is wrong, this is right. You know, I did the same or more Mokasana. I did right themselves. Well, time will tell. Subscribe it, share video, no see any. And mammy, chow again. That's in the ABC, my crowd.